Is that not too bright? Oh God, I tell you, street photography be a crazy old game, can't it? Especially if you've got your antenna up, it'll throw you some kind of odd little happenings from time to time. I got some photographs of this guy. Those were taken in Soho in April. Didn't spend too much time with the guy. We had a chat for about 5-10 minutes. And just some street portraits. Never saw him again. Now, flip forward 4 months, yeah, to around about 2 days ago. I was over in Hampstead Heath. I was doing a portrait shoot. On my way back, was getting a train from the ground level down to the platform. And who should walk in? It was him. Same guy. Was getting on the train. And, well, this is what happened. Soho, around Soho. Yes, yeah. And what's your name for the camera?
Kenneth Ainsworth.
And
it was in Berwick, Old Compton Street or Berwick Street. That's where we met.
Absolutely. And I was meant to send him the portraits, and I forgot to send the portraits. But we're going to do it. But I'm going to now get another portrait of him on the train.
I long for you at the dead of night, and I long to see you in the morning light. Well, you need me the way that I need you. I've never met anyone like you.
Crazy stuff. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's really a big support for me, guys. Hit the like button on this video as well. YouTube will share it with more people, and it really is a benefit, and I really do appreciate it, guys. If you want to be reminded of future videos, then turn on your notifications as well. Bit short and sweet today. See you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye. Bye.
I've never met anyone like you.